Jen here from jennyandteddy.com. So today we are going to do the quick tutorial. We are going to make the 2-color crochet cord. This 2-color crochet cord is very easy, beginner friendly as always. You can finish up this one in just under 2 minutes, and you can use in many crochet project, like a crochet bag for the handle, or incorporate in your crochet top to be a strap or something like that. The possible is endless, and you can use any crochet hook size and any yarn fiber and yarn weight that you like. There's no limit. And you can see the 2 color is come up. It's gonna be like this one. One side it will be look knitting, and the other side is done. So it's gonna be like this one. So let's get started. So I'm using 4mm crochet hook, and the yarn that I use is a cotton yarn. Is 2 weight. You can use any kind of crochet hook size and any kind of yarn weight and yarn fiber that you like. We will start with a slip knot. You can start with your favorite slip knot. Now after I start with a slip knot, and I want the yellow color to be my main color for the crochet cord. So I will separate the yarn, the color, and I will hold this one, hold the yellow color to be the main one, and then we wrap the pink color to your crochet hook and draw up the yellow color, pull through the loop, and then we will keep repeating this process. Put the pink one onto your crochet hook and draw up the yellow color, pull up the loop. You will see the main color is yellow, and the other side is just like a mix of the color. So wrap the yarn to your crochet hook in the front, and then pull up the yellow color and pull to the loop. So you can see here. Wrap the yarn, the pink one, and then pull up the yellow color and pull to the loop. So you can see here, and the other side will be like this one. I will show you again, and we will keep repeating this throughout the process. So the color that you want to be the main color, just use your index finger to hold it. So you will see like this one, and then wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, the pink one, and then grab the yarn, the yellow color, and pull to the loop. Wrap the yarn, pink one, grab the yellow one and pull to the loop. Wrap the yarn to your crochet hook, the pink color, and grab the yellow one, pull through the loop. Wrap the yarn, pink color, to your crochet hook, grab the yellow color, pull through the loop. I will show you one more time, and then we will fasten off or finish off the 2-color crochet cord together. Wrap the pink yarn to your crochet hook, grab the yellow one, pull up the loop, and now we're done. You can see here and I'm gonna finish off, cut the yarn tail here. To finish off, you can finish, I finish off by pull both two color of the yarn, pull to the loop, the last one that you want to finish off. Here we go. And that's all for today for the crochet two color crochet cord. I hope you guys like the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. If you like, please subscribe and comment, and see you on the next tutorial.